Right, this is about the Predict project, which is one of the programme design projects, and it's here at City University London. And the project's now been up and running for a year, and most of that first year what we've been doing is collecting background data, finding out what our stakeholders want and trying to identify the audience. One of the interesting things we've been doing is working with some lecturers on the curriculum design module, which enabled us to ask lecturers, if they had a blank piece of paper, what sorts of principles and values would they like for curriculum design. And this particular group of staff have agreed to be an expert group for the next 4 years so that we can go back to them with plans that we've been doing. We're also collecting pilot projects or plans from individual schools about curriculum design projects they want to do this year. And Lawrence is one of the Associate Deans for Learning and Teaching from two of our schools, who is going to give us a stakeholder view.
Right. I think curriculum development and curriculum design are important parts of what we do. They tend to structure teaching and learning. They also communicate that to both staff and to students. It's very important to us to create a system which is both robust, flexible, but also accessible to staff and students. And I think the Predict project is important in that context. We want to develop something which students can access easily. It'll tell them what's going on, and if we need to change it, we're able to do so quickly and effectively. And those are the important parts of any sort of curriculum development process.
Okay, thanks for that, Lawrence. So now we'll be working with our schools and we're going to collect a programme from each of the schools to be able to start work with now on the curriculum design project. And schools are all submitting plans for their programmes by the end of October. We've already got undergraduate programmes in arts, and we have an across-university module. So we'll be able to start that process, find out what people want, and look at how to make it flexible. We're also this month in the process of completing our stakeholder map, and from that we're going to be able to identify which stakeholders want what information in what format at different times, so that we can ensure we keep them on target and they know what's happening with the project. So those are our plans for the next few months of the project.